This is going to be a video tutorial on how to send a blank message to someone on Messenger. This works on Windows 7, Windows 10, and Windows 11. I'm not sure if this works on a Mac or not. Let me jump over to Messenger here. Okay, I have Messenger opened up in Google Chrome here. And as you can see down here at the bottom, I sent myself several blank messages here. And the way to do that's very easy to do on a Windows PC. You want to search for the program named Character Map. I'm using Windows 11 here, so I have this little search bar down here. If you're using Windows 10, you should have a search bar right over in this area. I'm going to click on my little magnifying glass here, and I'm going to type in Character Map. Right there it is. I'm going to hit enter. And it brings up this little character map here. And what you want to do is you want to scroll. It has a little sidebar here that you could pull down to scroll down. You want to go about 3/4 of the way down to where you see all these blank characters here. There's a bunch of them in here. And you want to select some of them. The more you select, the bigger your text box is going to be. So I'm just going to click on this one. I'll hit select. I'm going to click on this one. I'm going to click select. I'm going to click on this one. You can click any of the blank boxes here. They're down here too. I'm going to click select, 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 select. Now I'm going to click on copy. That copies them to my clipboard. Now I'm going to go back to Messenger here, and I'm going to click in my little text box down here, and I'm going to press Control V to paste it. As you can see, it doesn't look like it pasted anything there, but my little icon came on down here in the corner that I can send the message. I'm going to click on my little send icon over here, and as you can see, it sent me a blank message. That is how you send a blank message on Messenger using a Windows PC. Thanks for watching.